Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you a way that you can sneak inside of the alien observatory slash tower here without actually having to turn the power back on like I have. So the entrance is over here, and we're going to scoot around to the sort of back fourth of this tower so that you're facing the northwest, and we want to look for this little corner here while we're facing like 300. And you see how this little nubbin points down to this little rivet in the little ravine in the side of the building? Well, if you get out, you can actually drive right down into here. In fact, it wants me to scan something. I guess I can scan the alien observatory, but that's fine. I'll do that later. But you can actually drive straight through the ground right here inside the observatory. And you can skip right to the end of the game. So I just thought that was interesting. That's how you can skip inside the alien observatory before you even belong in here. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time for some more Subnautica 2 informational videos about where to find stuff. So yeah, that'll be it. Bye everybody, and have a good one.